Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. So in today's video we are going to deal with the next questions. Okay, that is question number 31 from the model paper of class 9. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new video. Okay, so the next question over here is draw the graph for the linear equation 2x plus y is equals to 7. Okay, so we will continue with this equation 2x plus y is equals to 7. Okay, therefore y will become y is equals to 7. If you move this to this side, it will become minus 2x. Okay, now we will consider the steps over here. Let x is equals to 0, then this equation will become y is equals to 7 minus 2 into x is there. No, in place of x what we will put? 0. So we will get y is equals to 7 minus 2 zeros are 0. 7 minus 0 means 7 only we will get. Okay, so the first, if x is equals to 0, then y will be 7. Second step, let x is equals to 1 if we put, then y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 1 we are getting, that is y is equals to 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5 we are getting. Okay, so that is x is equals to 1 means we are getting y is equals to 5. In the third case, suppose let x is equals to minus 1 if you are taking. Okay, in case you can take 2, 3, 4, whatever number you want you can take, but suppose if I take minus, what will be the situation? Y is equals to 7 minus 2 into minus 1 I'll get. So y is equals to 7 minus into minus is plus, 2 ones are 2. So we are getting y is equals to 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so here only let me draw the graph for you. Okay, and one more line from here. Okay, now we will consider this point as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So y-axis we need up to 9 over here. So we'll take it up to 9 as you can see. Okay, we'll increase this. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Actually, you should show this into the graph paper, okay, so that you get a proper quantity of lines. Okay, next, now you can see over here, if x is 0, y is 7. If our x is 0, okay, this is x dash and this axis is x. Similarly, this upper part will be y and the below part will be y dash. Okay, this part is y dash. Here also you need to write this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, now we will start. If x is 0, as you can see over here, if x is 0, y will be 7. So if x is 0, y will be 7. Let me mark over here like this. Okay, next step is if x is equals to 1, y will be 5. X is 1, y will be 5. So 5 and x1 you'll get somewhere here. Okay, then if x is equals to minus 1, then y will be 9. X is equals to minus 1, then we are getting to be as minus, sorry, not minus, positive 9 we are getting. So we'll get your point somewhere here. Okay, now you can see the points as they are. We need to join them. Okay, so this is the graph of the linear equation. Okay, now you need to write the scale over here, this side. Okay, scale, what you have taken, x-axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to, this is x-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit in the sense you have taken difference of 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The difference is 1, 1 each. So you need to write the axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Similarly, y-axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to, here also you have taken it to be as 1 unit only. So you can write it as 1 unit. So this graph is mainly dependent on this point what you are taking. If you are taking x as 10, 20, 30, 40, then you will get this also y-axis also in 20, 30, 40s only. Okay, so it depends, completely depends on what the values of x you take, and according to that the graph will change. But you have to remember always the linear equation. Here the graph you will get it in a straight line itself. Okay, when two variables are there, you have to get the line into the straight line only. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Okay, so the next question you can see in the given figure, BE the bisector of ABQ. Now this BE is bisecting this angle ABQ. This BE is parallel to CG. They have already given. Okay, so solution we will write. What all is given we will write first. Okay, they have given us that BE is parallel to CG already given, and BE bisects angle ABQ, one thing they have given, and CG bisects angle BCS. They have given this many things. Okay, we need to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. To prove PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, so in the proof we can write, if BE is bisecting this angle, then we can write ABE, angle ABE is equals to EBQ. EBQ. Okay, both will be equal. EBQ. Okay, both are equal since BE bisects ABQ. Okay, both are equal. Okay, if both are equal, then can we say that ABE is half of this complete angle? Because this is half exactly. This BE is cutting this line, this angle into exactly half part. So ABE is nothing but half of this complete angle. That is, ABE is equals to half of this complete angle, that is ABQ. Okay, we will keep this as equation 1. Similarly, here we can write, that is the whatever things we have written here, the same thing we will write here. BCG is equals to CGCS. Okay, since CG bisects angle BCS. Okay, and here also we can write BCG, angle BCG is equals to half of this complete angle, that is BCS. We will consider this to be as equation 2. Okay, now one more thing they have told us that okay, so now if we consider these two lines, okay, these lines are like this. Okay, and this is the line which is a transversal. These lines are parallel lines, and this is the line which is transversal. So I can write it as, suppose they have already told us that BE is parallel to CG and AD is transversal. Suppose, okay, transversal, then exactly I can write ABE, this angle you can see here, this angle ABE is congruent to this triangle CBCG. Okay, congruent, no, that is equal. Okay, ABE, this angle is equal to BCG. Okay, since the reason I can write it as corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles. Since this is a transversal and these both are parallel, we can write this angle is equal to this angle, both is corresponding angles. Okay, now substituting equation 1 and 2, we will consider this as equation 3. Okay, now substituting these values, that is ABE value we are having and BCG value we are having, substituting this equations, that is substituting equation 1 and 2 in equation 3. What we will get is, in place of ABE, we will get half of ABQ. You can see here, In place of ABE, we are having half of ABQ. So in place of ABE, we are getting half of ABQ, angle ABQ, which is equals to, in place of BCG, we can write it as half of BCS. So this half and this half is cancelled. We are left with ABQ is equals to BCS. Okay, so this is possible if and only if BEC is parallel to CG and AD is a transversal. So we can write corresponding angles. These are nothing but the corresponding angles formed by the transversal AD with PQ and RS are equal. Okay, this is the converse of corresponding angles theorem. Okay, converse of corresponding angles theorem. Okay, so therefore we can write, therefore PQ is parallel to RS. Directly we can write this. Okay, so I hope this is clear. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, so the next question here. A triangular shaped land is to be divided equally among three persons. The length of the two sides are 100 meter and 160 meter. Suppose this is the triangle, okay, and this is 100 meter and this is 160 meter. This is A, B and C. We don't know the third side and they have given us perimeter is equals to, let us write, A is equals to 100 meter, B is equals to 160 meter. We don't know C value, okay, but perimeter they have given as perimeter is equals to 360 meter. Okay, find the area of the land that each person would get. So perimeter is 360. Perimeter we can write it as A plus B plus C is equals to 360 meter. So A is 100 meter plus B is 160 meter plus C we don't know, we'll keep as it is, which is equals to 360 meter. So 100 plus 160 is 260 meter plus C is equals to 360 meter. So therefore C will be equals to 360 minus 260, which will be 100 meter. So we got the value for C, that is 100 meter. Okay, then to find the area of the particular land, we need the value for S. S is semi-perimeter. That is A plus B plus C divided by 2. We are having A plus B plus C as 360. So 360 divided by 2 we are having, that is 2 ones are 2 ones are, 1 is carried, 2 8s are 16 and 0. So S value is equals to 180 meter. So S is 180 meter. So let us substitute into the formula, that is area of triangle formula is equals to S into root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let us substitute the value. Root of S value we got it as 180 into S minus A is 180 minus 100. Again 180 minus B value is 160 and again S value is 180 minus C value we got it as 100. Okay. Okay, then root of this can be written as 180 can be written as 18 into 10. Okay, then 180 minus 100 is 80 we got. Then 180 minus 60 is 20 we got. Then 180 minus again 100 is 80 we got. Okay, so this can be written as 18 into 10. We will keep it as it is. Into 80 can be written as 8 into 10. Okay, 8 into 10 into 20 can be written as 2 into 10 and this again 80 can be written as 8 into 10. So we will get, okay, 18 will be as it is. This 10 into 10 we got 10 square. Okay, 10 square we got. 8 into 8 we got 8 square. Again this 10 into 10 we got 10 square and this 2 will be as it is. Okay, now 18 2s are 36 we can write. So 36 into 10 square into 8 square into 10 square. So 36 can be written as 6 square into 10 square into 8 square into 10 square. So 6 6 are 36. So this all the squares and this root is cancelled. What is remaining with us is 6 into 10 into 8 into 10. So 6 tens are 60 into 8 tens are 80. We are getting 6 eights are 48, and this two zeros will be as it is. This is meter square. So this much is the land. Okay, that is the area of land, and it has to be divided by 3%. Okay, so area of land is equals to 4800 divided by 3. That is 3 ones are 1 is carried, 3 6 are 18, and 2 zeros will be as it is. So it is divided among one person. It is, we are getting as 1600 meter square land is taken by one person. Okay. Okay, so the next question you can see here. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is equals to 30 degree, angle Z is equals to 90 degree, and XY plus YZ plus ZX is equals to 11 centimeter. So for that, what you need to do here is you need to draw a line of 11 centimeter first. Okay, so you can see here this is of 11 centimeter. Okay, we will mark it as X. We will mark it as AB. Okay, we'll mark this as AB. Okay, now what we need to do here is we need to draw an 30-degree angle and 90-degree angle on the two sides. On one side, I will draw 30-degree angle. Just what you need to do here is you need to just draw an arc. Okay, with the same angle only, you have to do this as one arc. Okay, now this is 60 degree. Okay, now this is 60 degree. Now if you want to cut this into now this is 60 degree, right? But we need here 30 degree. So what we will do here is with this same measurement only, okay, with the same measurement over here, we will put an arc over here and put an arc over here. Now keeping at this point, again we will cut this. Just see here. Okay. And by keeping on this point, again one more arc we will cut. Just. Okay. Now this line we need to join, which is 30 degree. This line is, this angle is 30 degree. Okay, we got this angle as 30 degree. Now on this side we need to draw 90 degree angle. The same thing what we will do here is we will take one arc from here. Okay, like this. Then without shaking this will be 60 degree, and from here again one more arc will go. This is 120 degree, and with the same arc here, with the same arc cutting this point, then we will get one line over here. Okay, we need to join this line. This is our 90 degree. Okay, this is our 90 degree. Now what we will do here is 90 degree we got, here we got 30 degree already, we got it. Now what we will do, we will cut this again into half parts. Now this is 90 degree. What we have to do is we have to take the length of this angle only. Just see here. Okay, and we will cut one more arc over here, and from here one more arc we will cut. Now this point we need to join. Okay, this point we will join. Now this is 15 degree. Okay, cutting into half. This is 15 degree. Similarly, we have to do here this point and this point we have to take. Sorry. Okay. Okay. This point and this point, as you can see, this points we have to take, and we have to cut an arc over here from this point, and from here this point. Then from here join this. Join this. Now what we need to do here is we need to extend this line. Whatever the extended cutted line extra we have taken, we need to extend this line. Okay. Okay. After extending, what we have to do here is the extra line which we have taken from here, we have to bisect that line. Okay, taking more than half of this line, we will cut one arc over here and one cut below. Okay, as you can see. Then from this point, we will cut one more arc over here and one arc at here. You can see here. Okay, this arc and this arc. Now what we will do is we will join this point. Okay, we will join this point. Okay, now this is the extra point which we have taken here, this part. Okay, extra line. According to this line we have taken, and this is the bisection of this line. Similar way, we have to take this point and the bisection of this point we have to take, that is from here. From this point you will get one arc over here and one arc here you will get. Okay, similarly, keeping at this point, the arc you will get here and one more arc you will get here. Again you need to join these 2 points. Okay, these 2 points you will join. Now you got, as you can see, you got 1 point over here and you got 1 point over here. Now what you need to do here is you need to join this part, this point to this point. Okay, this point to this point and one more this point here and one more here. Okay, so now this is your x, this is your y, and this point is your z, where this is 30 degree and this is what we are getting is 90 degree, and the remaining angle we don't know what is this. 30 plus 90 is 120. Definitely this angle will be 60 degree. So according to the question, we got y is equals to, see, this is 30 degree and z is equals to, sorry, this will be z value and this will be x we have to consider. Okay, so z is 90 degree and y is 30 degree, and addition of all these 3 sides will give you 11 centimeter. So I hope this is clear to you. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you can comment me down below. So I'll be back soon with another video. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.